I just love it when kitties do cute things. I was in here doing stuff and I heard noises. I was looking around, looking around, and looking around. I know there are cats in here with me. Where are they? Voila! How'd you guys get up there? Hi, Pickles. Hi, Pickles. Pickles is cute. Pickles is cute. Yes, he is. Nice little nose there, buddy. Oh my goodness. We got a little squeezable. Squeezable! Trying to illuminate her a little bit with the flashlight. What am I doing? What am I doing, Pickles? She's in the bowl, see? They're cute or what? You're dangling something at me. Flashing and dangling. Flashing and dangling. We have ways to make her talk. No one expects the Inquisition. I love you guys. Woo.